Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a quickie sticky unboxing. This is my Stickii Club subscription pack. It is a sticker subscription for like $11 a month. I will link the website below so you can check it out. I am not sponsored. I just get these and I love them and I love sharing them with you guys. So let's jump into it because last time I said it was a quickie sticky and it was not quickie at all. So I get the pop and the vintage pack, so let's open up the pop pack first because I feel like I opened it up second last time. I don't remember though. There's no official order. I don't know what the theme for this month is, so I'm excited to see. We get a cool reusable envelope. Actually, these are really nice envelopes. I use them for lots of stuff, and I think I probably say that every single time, so I need to find like a new intro. The theme for this month is the grand night sky, and hopefully it is bright enough to see. I don't think it is, but hold on, let's find out. Alright, weird edit, but it's like 1,000,000 degrees in Texas, and I don't like to open my blinds because then my house will be hot, but we're gonna do it so that we can make this quick. And so that you guys can see it, because I feel pretty bad. I don't think last time it was bright enough for you guys. But this time, in the grand night sky, we got a little stamp. Little moon. Little sleepy moon stamp, which is really cute. I'm gonna set that aside. And then for the little paper pad, we got this really cute, like, sort of modern celestial motif. Really kind of like this wave design. It's foiled or gilded, however you want to say. Nice little stack of papers. These are gonna come like really handy in like moon journals. That's gonna be kind of nice to use. And then the stickers, I might as well just leave this out. So much stuff in frame. Don't want to lose that. So we got, these are from Stickii Club. They're like little dudes like dancing and hanging out in the stars. They're really pretty. Little galaxy motifs, and they're foiled as well with the stars. So that's really cute. And then we got these also. Oh, nope, I was about to lie. These are from Kim Becker Design. These ones I really like. It's different like silhouette shapes with like a mountainous, forested background. Even like the little acorn is really cute. This would be really pretty like in a spirit guide or celestial animal type journal thing. The jars are even really nice too. The little terrarium scenes are really cool. I love that. That's super pretty. And then this is by Moonbound Studio. These are gorgeous. In fact, I don't know why my camera is so high. Because I'm like holding it up to my face so that you guys can see it when I could just drop the camera. Or zoom in like technology allows me to. These are pretty. I love this. It's so like illustrative. This little like forest spirit scene. These are really cute, guys. Look at that. I love like the moons and the little bioluminescent skeleton mermaid. Like, that's so neat. Ooh, and this is giving me Princess Mononoke vibes. These are really pretty. I love little scenes like this. Like, they're so narrative. Just such a beautiful set. Love that. Let's see. Then there are some of these. Like, these are by Moonchew. And they're sort of like these watercolor-ish styled, like waves and stars in like galaxy night sky. These are really pretty. These are really aesthetic. I definitely have stuff that goes well with that. So excited to use these. And then this, I saw these. I was eyeballing them out of the corner of my eye while I was showing you guys the other stuff. But they are moon phase stickers. And there's like 2 full sets of the entire moon phase. Like, They're like holographic and also gold. So that's really cool. These ones are going to go like in my personal stash. I'm going to hoard these forever. Maybe I'll use half and like journals and the other half I'll keep for myself. But I really love these. It's really pretty. And then like even the sticker, like the title, Moon Phase, is a sticker. So that will be like really neat in like a Book of Shadows. And then the little post-it stickers are some more of these like sort of modern designed. These are by Stickii Club. And these are really cute. These are cute little like writing spaces. Little snake. Those are beautiful. And let's see. This is by Suki Sketchbook. So there's some more of these little scenes. But these are the stamp stickers. And I really love stamp stickers. Like, I don't need to have a fancy stamp collection because I have so many of these stickers. But I feel like I use these more than I would actually use like regular postal stamps. The lanterns is really pretty. And of course my cats have the zoomies right now because I started doing this and not paying attention to them. So bear with that. But these are really pretty. This is kind of giving me like Hogwarts vibes. But it could be any castle. It doesn't have to be Hogwarts. So super cute. And then the last sticker we got is by SSS Sunny? SS Sunny. I'm going to say SS Sunny. These are really cute. It's this little, like, goofy Galaxy Girls. She's cool. I love her. Really pretty. I want to, like, draw eyeballs on these and make it, like, biblically accurate Space Angel. But these are cute, and they're, like, holographic foiled. So that's cute. I'll definitely find some good places to use those. So, that was the Pop Pack set. Really happy with that. Sorry, I just punched the camera. Yeah, I'm happy with this set. I like this set. I love Celestial stuff. I have a bunch of Celestial paper. I was just talking to April about that I need to use because I have a ton. And then our vintage set. Let's see. It's A Day at the Meowseum. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's a cat set. So excited. Put this away. So let's see. The stamp for this one is that Le Black Chat. I don't know how you say it in French. I think it's Chat de Noir, like the Chat de Noir. Yeah. That seems accurate. But you know that poster. I think you guys have seen this poster. Actually, I have a paper pad of notes somewhere in this space. Aha. My desk is a mess. But April gave me these. The Chat Noir. And now I have it as a stamp. Look at that. It was destiny. I was fated to have this. I love it. Super excited for that. That's going to work good in like spooky journals too. Or witchy journals. I think it's going to be great. Everything needs cats. So let's see. This is upside down. This is also by Stickii Club. There's a cat here. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's an interesting choice. I feel like some choices were made. I feel like these are about to become freebies. Because I can't even really see the cat's face. Like, do you guys see it? I don't see it. I see some confusion. Like, this is the top of the cat's head, maybe? And those little ears? I don't know. I don't like being this close to my fingernails because I'm just realizing that I've been distressing stuff and there's ink under my fingers. So I don't think you guys will like it either. And so let's see. What's in the back here? Oh, this one is like thick. This is a thick set. Now I feel like I got shortchanged because this is a stack, guys. Like, she's thick. But I'm excited. Alright, so we got some like historical museum type stuff with these cute little cats. Like exploring around it. Love that. Look at that. That's so cute. I love these. These are neat. And then we have this set, which is also a Stickii Club original. And it looks like it's fancy artwork that has cats in it. Look at this cat. You guys, look at this. That's insane. I love it. I mean, the rest of them are pretty, but like, I'm keeping this forever. This is going in my personal stuff. I gotta find like a really great home for him, because if this is a real I need to look this up. I need to Google search this. If this is a real painting, I need like a reproduction of it, and I need it to be giant, because it's like the opposite of long cat, but also long cat. I can't. This one's by Erica Ward, and it looks like we have some fancy gents and proper ladies as cats. And that's super cute. So pretty. Oh, and see, they've definitely been around gray cats, because my gray cat makes the same face. And it's that one where they're kind of side-eye judging you. Yeah, that's the face that they make. And I love them for it. Super cute. And then we got a nice little set of stamps. I have another set by this artist. This is Phoenix Chan. Yeah. And they're like these little, like, surreal cat figures. And I think they were also stamps, the ones that I have. So that's cool. I love that. Look at this little, like, ballerina Swan Lake cat. Super cute. There's some good versatility here. Like, this is giving me, like, a little Red Riding Hood. There's some international cats here. I think I'll get some good use out of there. Look at this, like, little, like, Slavic cat. Needs to go in, like, a Baba Yaga or, just, like, a Slavic fairy tale journal. I think would be so cute. But I love these. And, of course, I said this was going to be fast, and then the theme was cats, and now I'm here forever. So, keeping it rolling. This is, by Dachachi Fujino. I can't say that, but I tried my best. That's who it is. And these are super cute little kitties doing museum things. Look at this bust. That's nice. These are really cute. Deep breaths, composure, because I'm about to lose my mind. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. And then we got these ones. I don't know who the artist is. It just says Little Cat Kong. I don't know if that's the artist, because usually they link their socials. So who knows? Question mark. But there's some pretty regal looking cat gentlemen here. Look at the monocle. I love it. And this one with her little, like, Bastet vibes. So pretty. And a sarcophagi. These are cute. Now I want to make a museum journal, but I don't want to use my cat stickers, so those are for keepsies. But these is cute. These little, like, sleepy cat post-it notes. I love that. I love it. The vocal fry. I love this. And it's got, like, an antique paper background with some handwriting. These are really sweet. That'll make, like, a sweet spot to write notes in. And then for the numbers, we got, looks like some vintage cat drawings. So that's really cute. So I love that. These were fun. I will say, for my vintage set, I would have preferred something less cutesy, but this gave me lots of joy, so I'm not mad at it. I just don't I don't have a preference for cute type stickers, because I don't use them as much as I would something more more thematic. And I don't want to say somber, but it's the only word that's coming to mind. But, you know, like something more on theme, more vintagey, I'll use for journals, as opposed to this stuff, which I will use for myself because it's cutesy. But there was some stuff in here I think I would find use for in non-cutesy books. But I will say that these were good. These were good sets. I am very happy with them. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. I'm very happy with my Pop Pack set. I know that will get immediate use. And I'm happy with this. I know that I will eventually use it. I'm definitely going to find a special place for that tall cat because that killed me dead. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. I will catch you guys on the next one. Got some videos coming up in the pipeline that I think you will be happy to see. But until next time, if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces. Bye!